Okay, bit of an unboxing. I haven't done one of these for a long time, and I know what it is, but you lot don't. But I think you'll find it interesting if you've been following the camper van builds and the what they call it. Another box within a box within a box. Okay, right, hold on 1 second. Okay. Might have to go a little bit lower on this one. Bear with me so you can see this properly. See how we get on with that. Okay, this is, I know what it is. It looks quite big, doesn't it? This is the new cooker for the van build. I hope there's a lot of packing because this is huge. Ooh. See if you got this in. Gotta get this in right now. Hold on 1 second. You're gonna like this. There's little kids in the background, but that's fine because that's what kids do. And I've got kids, so well, did have. I'm a bit grown up now. Oh. Look at that. Alright, let's run through it. Let's move the box. Oh, be careful. Hold on. Don't want to rest it from that. I'll show you all this in a second. Okay. Let's have a closer look. So there we go. Brand new, spanking cooker. Just making some room. And that's going to be fitted. Middle finger button. Ooh, and it's spring loaded. I was wondering about that. So it comes with the seal. It comes with your sink down. And I've got the pipe for that as well. Oh, there we go. It might be electronic ignition, I'm not too sure. Don't think it is. But I'm not really bothered about that. I've got the tap as well. But there we go. One beautiful, beautiful sink. You know what? There was a template. That would have been nice. No, not to worry. Okay, let's have a quick look underneath. That's where that rubber goes round, isn't it? I definitely need that one. Alright, just bear with me slowly. I don't think it's electronic. Is it electronic? Is it? I can't see any electronic. Let me have a look. So you've got your copper wire, which is your thermostat wire. Don't think it is. Anyway, so we've got to allow for the hinges as well at the back there. And around. And then, yeah, so we've got some work because it's going up here on the new work. We've got a new work surface, so need to know how it's going to fit. And that's the toy, that's what we've got. So we've got to fit this little beaut. And that's going to be a bit of fun, I think. I've got the work surface, but I wanted it so it's a proper camper van cooker and everything. That's hence all the new stuff. Okay, so one of the major reasons why I bought this, because not the two burners, I got two burners on the old one. Now the old one was glass, quite a very nice looking auto click, but you had to have an inverter to plug it in to get it to work, but it worked from a lighter. But the beauty of the The beauty of the oven was very nice, very, very nice looking, but these were not fixed. They rattled. And these were loose. It was ordinary cooker, but they sent you jets which you can alter to go to LPG, which I did, and it worked fine. But rattle, and just, especially the way the roads are nowadays, they're awful. So this will stop all that rattling, nice and quiet, lid will close, got the rubber surround and everything. It'll look great. I'm going to go through the instructions now just to give me roughly the measurements for the diameter of this, ready to cut out to fit to. That's a hell of a chunk of wood, isn't it? Pity you couldn't use it and fill it back in to make it a cutting board. Anyway, so I'm going to look at this. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. Subscribe button is there, and you'll get a notification bell. If you want to hit the notification bell, please do, and that will notify you any more upcoming videos. There's loads more coming. I don't intend to stop just yet. We've got boating, fishing, you name it. Summer holidays are coming. We might even be going to France for a bit of a tour, so I'll film that as well if anybody's interested. That's hence the all the new gear and the new work surface. That at the back of the splash guard is going to be ordered tomorrow, and we've got a shelf going up there as well. There we go. So take care. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one. All the best.